Hey guys, it's me here with
It's so fluffy.
It's So Fluffy. And it's me, DJ, from DJs Does Stitches or Stitches Does DJ. Don't know what it is yet. Not going to change it yet. And today we're be making slime with glue, dish soap, any kind of dish soap, lotion, and a marker for the coloring.
And glitter and borax.
And glitter and any kind of activator. Our activator is borax. So, I was making a video before this, and you know how my video stopped. So this might stop. Sorry, I was eating some dirt cake. And this is what the slime is so far.
You still gotta knead it.
Yeah, but don't knead it too well to where it's not sticky, because we have to add white beads for Sydney.
No, not Sydney.
Yeah.
You're not supposed to say people's names on a YouTube channel unless they have your permission.
Oh no, that's not for her. Wait, what is her name? I don't know. She's someone that actually commented on one of my YouTube videos from my old one, and she said, "Hey, can I order some slime? Because we are in a slime business."
And this is so stretchy.
Even though it's used with borax, but it's also so sticky. And most of our slime is only $1. But if you get glitter and beads and all that crunchy stuff, originally rose up to $1. But everything is originally 50 cents.
But if you want extra stuff,
or an extra big one, an extra big one would be like $3. But
it depends how big you want it.
Yeah. So, and if you just want some slime to order from us, just comment down below what you want, your address.
No, never. Come text us on Google Chat, and we'll send it to
Google Duo.
Google Chat.
It's Google Duo.
No, YouTube Chat. My bad. YouTube Chat.
Yeah, YouTube Chat. Or you could download Google Duo and find us in some way. Oh, wait, no, you need numbers. I ain't giving you my number there. And then just tell us where you are and we can send it to that place. And it might ruin over time or get just super bubbly.
And we will show you guys the slime just so it's not like, oh, you guys sent me a defected slime or a defected squishy. We do not sell squishies.
No, we don't. Unless we take a pillow, cut the pillow, sew it up, make it look cute, and then sell it. Which we should start doing.
We are making squishies. They're pillow squishies with faces on them.
Yes.
They are not like slow rising at all. They're just like a squishy.
Something to just sit there and go.
Like a stress ball.
And they're really cute. And you can sleep with them.
Yeah, so they're perfect to bring in school if you just
want
a little nap.
And if you have like socks, we have fluffy socks that we're gonna be buying. I can make animals out of those. I know how to. You guys might know how to.
And then we can make them into like a squishy type thing.
Yeah, and if this video ends, we'll definitely show you in our next video because we're gonna be making a next video over here. I call it the drink it if you dare it. No, dare it if you drink it. Dare if you drink. Dare to drink. And it's where you have a bad thing and a good thing. And they look the same, so you really don't know which is which. Like we could have grape soda and soy sauce, or Pepsi and soy sauce. Grape soda and something bad. Just pickle juice and
Mountain Dew.
Mountain Dew. Even though both of those are really good. But whatever.
I'm gonna add the white